Hey friends, it's art snacks time. This actually came, I don't know, maybe yesterday, and I wasn't actually going to film, and I did cut it open, but I haven't really looked at what's inside of it. I don't know. I don't know why I didn't want to do this, and I got this new light, so I don't know. Maybe the lighting will be a little bit better. I just don't get a lot of great natural light, so, all right. Okay, like I said, I went to open it, and then I was like, no, I'm not going to do it. Okay, it's our little cheat sheet thing. And we get a Smarties candy. Yay. Okay. Let's see what we get. Boop. Okay. Okay, here's our little sticker. It's kind of cute. Okay. And all right, let's start with this. What is this? This paintbrush is the King Art Original Gold 9300 Series Golden Taklon Brush, shader size 10, and it retails for $14.99. Okay, it says they've been baked for softness and optimal absorption. The square shape of the shader brush creates crisp edges and offers precise control in tight spaces. So I don't think I have anything, any paintbrushes quite like this. I think in one of the last boxes, what did they send us? We got this one. But it's from Princeton, and it's quite a bit smaller. So, okay, fun. And then, what else do we get? We get this Tombow high precision drafting pencil that needs to be sharpened. Highest quality. Let's see what it retails for. $1.40 retail. It's a graphite pencil. It's supposed to be smooth and strong to the core, which means you'll experience fewer broken points, smear-proof lines, and crisp, clean drawings. And we're gonna have to sharpen it. Okay, this looks fun. This is a Marabou art crayon. Retails for $3.99, an exciting twist to your artwork with the Marabou art crayon. This buttery smooth wax-based pastel stick is suitable for both wet and dry techniques. Highly pigmented color easily blends and pops off the page when brushed with water. If the tip wears down, just rotate the retractable body to produce more. Okay. Fun. And then I'm just not digging these colors, like this Ninja Turtle green, and then this like bright orange color. This is an abstract Sinclair acrylic 3D liner, and I actually looked this thing up because I had no idea. Like I said, I cheated. I looked at it. Please don't be mad. And this is like really like for Rose, I am filming a video. Stop it. It's really for like at the end you come back and you can add like it literally like 3D. I don't know. I'm just not very impressed with this box, I guess you could say. All right. So here are all the things all together. And let's try some things out. Okay. I'm going to go with this. Like, I haven't tried any of this stuff. I just cheated and looked at the box. Okay. Oh, come on. For the love of cheese and crackers. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is supposed to be... So it's literally like a watercolor crayon. Pretty fat tip. That's what she said. Ha ha ha. Okay, I don't even know what to do. Let's... Oh. So super creamy. Super duper creamy. You know, it almost feels like a gelato. That's like what I was thinking. Okay, so can we get it any darker? No, not really. Kind of. Alright, let's see if we can zoom in just a bit. My camera might go nuts. Give me just a second. Sometimes it doesn't like to stay where I want it to. Okay. So then let's see if we can use this new paintbrush. Don't roll away. Sorry, I was like, no, I'm not going to need this cup of water. I was wrong. Okay, so it says that we can add water to it. This is that new brush that they just sent with us. So let's see. Oh, okay. So you can move it around. Now this is just regular copy paper that I'm using, so it's not the best quality. Looks like you have to put quite a bit of water to move it around, but like I said, this paper sucks, so. Alright, so you can move it around quite a bit with water. That's cool. Okay. I'm so scared about this thing. Now, I just don't get how these colors go together, though. I mean, what were they thinking? I'm going to do something with it. So, again, this guy is supposed to be, like, for embellishments after you're done. You can, like, come back. And I even saw this one guy, like, hand lettering his name. So, you can do, like, dots. You can line. Let's see. Get you guys a little bit closer here. You see how it like pops up off the page? I mean, it is definitely 3D. And then, let's see, I don't know. I don't think I could do what he did. I mean, he was pressing so hard and I don't have a whole lot of, I mean, oh, I guess it would be like, it's like writing with cake icing. That's exactly what it is. It's paint icing. Okay, that's terrible. Absolutely terrible. But if you got the hang of it, I really think that you could do, you could do some really cool things with it. So whether it's just like little dots, like coming back on a finished piece of art would be cool. Okay, I'm not really impressed with a pencil. I mean, I'm just one of those girls that is like a regular mechanical pencil is all good with me. And now, of course, I've not prepared at all and don't know. Here it is. My pencil sharpener is. Is this going to take like forever and a day for me to sharpen? Oh, goodness. Oh, gosh, for a minute I thought it was going to be, like, not fit my pencil sharpener. Oh, that's a terrible sound. Okay. Okay. Getting there. So, again, this is my Tombow, and I have never had a Tombow product to do me wrong. So maybe this pencil will change my ways on how I feel about. But I mean, seriously, I just had like all this school supplies left over for my school years. Like when my husband and I combined our life. And I was like, well, we have 8,000 color pencils. Okay. So this is a drafting pencil. And I probably should have tried to find some kind of eraser. I mean, it feels like a pencil. It is graphite. Let's see. Now I'm really hard-handed, so I'm pressing really hard. Is it really smudge-free? Oh, okay.